They don't wear designer logos, they don't flex on Instagram, and they definitely don't talk about getting rich quick. The real rich, the quiet rich, move differently, and if you pay close attention, they leave clues. These are the invaluable life lessons they live by, and once you internalize them, your entire approach to business, money, and success changes forever. The quiet rich understand that wealth is not about what you spend, it's about what you keep. While others are obsessed with income, they are focused on cash flow, assets, and long term investing. They know flashy purchases don't build wealth, ownership does. Businesses, stocks, real estate, IP, that's how they play the game. They don't chase money, they attract it through value, through leverage, through system. Whether it's building a business or scaling a brand, they never trade time for money. After the first stage, they focus on building once, earning repeatedly. That's how compound growth works, not just in investing but in life. They never let lifestyle grow with income. When revenue goes up, lifestyle stays the same or close to it. That gap is where wealth is built. That's called financial discipline, and that's the difference between appearing rich and actually being rich. They talk less and study more in marketing, meetings, boardrooms, even casual conversations. They listen intently. They understand the power of silence because while others are performing, they're observing, and in business, observation leads to smarter strategy and better decisions. They make boring decisions constantly. The quiet rich are not into hype. They are not buying meme stock or chasing trends. They are investing in proven business models, slow growth portfolios, and relatable teams because they understand that consistency beats intensity in both finance and entrepreneurship. They don't need validation. You won't see them explaining their moves or defending their strategies. They understand that real success doesn't need applause. In fact, attention often invites risk. Quiet wealth prefers security over status. They prioritize time over everything. Time is not most underrated asset in the world. The quiet rich buy back their time through automation, delegation, and clear priorities. They don't hustle endlessly, they optimize ruthlessly. They avoid emotional decision, whether it's a deal, an investment, or a negotiation. They detach emotional cloud judgment. They quiet rich treat decision like data, not drama. They know when to say no. Opportunities, partnerships, even money. If it doesn't align with their long-term vision, they walk away. That kind of discipline is not common, but it's what separates short-term players from the long-term winners. They reinvest relentlessly, not just money, knowledge, relationships, energy. The compounding effect of strategic reinvestment is what builds empire silently, and most important, they play the long game while everyone else plays to go viral and get rich by Friday. As the thinking indicates, because they understand the real wealth is not built fast, it's built quietly, intentionally, and without shortcuts.